Hi folks, and thank you for allowing me to do this video presentation for you today on this Heritage Glen from Forest River. It is a 2020 and it is a 22 RBHL, so it is going to be the rear bathroom. And what's spectacular about that is it's a very big doorway into the bathroom, a large shower, and a large area around the sink in the bathroom. So pretty cool features there. Real nice couples coach. Let me show you the inside. Again, like many rear bathrooms, it has a very open floor plan for being a smaller footprint. It does have this slide out that's a mid-size, including this L-shaped lounge here. That does have a table that will fit to that bracket you see, and you can be able to have your dining that way if you need to, or game playing. You do also have a refrigerator that's in the slide out there. And the bathroom, again, really popular to have a lot of space. If you need more mobility, if you need ease of showering, storage, you have storage on that side over there for items as well as to our immediate left here, and then also all the drawers that you see down here. So real nice features to have, storage throughout, the hanging closet space in there, and then the storage down below in here as well. And again, area for prep area in there, and the nice medicine cabinet with another shelf. So really nice setup. And also too, you do have this area that is a nice storage and pantry space behind that TV entertainment center. Real good use of space. You do have a large TV and entertainment center and a fireplace for supplemental heat as well, which is real nice to have. You do have 3-burner and also a nice Furrion matching drawer here. It matches your oven. You got some good counter space as well in there, which again is really lacking on some of those smaller coaches, so it's nice to have that. You also have a shelf in there and the storage that goes inside as well with the shelf. So you got the bedroom that has the larger area here for shirt closets, and you also have a pretty good sized bed with storage above as well, storage down below, and also a hard door that does separate the master as opposed to a curtain. Real nice to have there. When you're inside, you do also have some nice finishes. The windows are finished off nicely, and you do have more of a modern approach on the lighting fixture there too. And this will be nice and comfortable to kind of lay back on, as well as make into additional sleeping if needed as well too. So we'll show you some of the features on the outside. It does have the step, which is going to be a little bit wider, and you got the sturdy step there and the grab handle that goes all the way down a little bit lower in case you need to. Does have the black tank flush as well as your city water, and you have your park cable, your brackets over here, so it's nice to have if you do need to fold that down and put bikes on it. Pre-wired there for camera, backup camera. And nice tall openings here to get stuff in loading easier as well. You can see some of the aluminum that they use in that part of it. You also have the double tanks and the fiberglass cap up front, makes it real nice. A little bit of accents of some, let's see here. You've got the little diamond plate here, black color down below as well. It makes it nice and durable. And your power tongue jack and light. So you'll have questions when you do at the number at the end of this video. Give me a call. My name's Tom Peterson, been here for 29 years. If you do have any questions, again, don't hesitate to call. And we also know that in Guaranty here, we've been in business for over 52 years now, and it's a great place to consider ownership here. You've got lots of camping places in Oregon, so if you have any questions, please call me at the end of this video. Remember, here at Junction City, it's an RV show every day.